Hi. So if you've noticed carefully, if you're a personal brand, if you go on all social media handles or platform rather, there's something they call profile cover. Now, every social media handle has what they call profile cover. And if you're a personal brand, you're looking to attract your audience, your ideal audience, you need to have a profile picture. And even if you're a business, a big business, you need to have a profile picture. Whatever you choose to have, that's fine. Just have a profile picture. If you don't know how to create a simple profile picture that looks really professional, I got you. So this video, I'm showing you how to create a professional video, professional cover for your social media handles as a as a personal brand. So if you're interested, jump right in. Well, in this video, I must tell you, I use Canva and I use the pro version. You don't have to have the pro version to be able to do a simple profile cover. You can use the free version to create a profile picture for your social media handle. So don't get worried. So let's just go right in and get started. Okay. So the first thing you do is go to your Canva app and click into the app and look for the frame you would like to use. So I'll be using a blank canvas in the shape of an Instagram photo, like a 1080 by 1080. That's what I'll be using for this profile picture design. So you take a blank one, you go into your screen, you select into your Canva, you select a blank Canva. It looks something like this, and then you want to go into your photo, like you already have a photo of the client or yourself, and then you select the photo and upload it into your Canva and onto the blank canvas which you have opened up inside of Canva. So I use the pro version, so I'm able to do a background remover. If you don't know how to do a background remover, if you don't have a pro version, you can use the free tools on other third party app and then upload it into Canva. So don't worry too much about it. So I like to change the background. The first thing I'm doing is take off the background, have the photo standing alone, and change the background color of the canvas to suit the client's preferred color. So my client has some colors which he has agreed to use for his design. It's brand colors, so I'm going to use about two of them. And then after the first design, I would download this first picture on a JPG format, just for it's just a space saving technique. Then I open another blank canvas and select a circle grid. So a circle grid is what will help you form the profile picture. You know, profile picture are usually round in nature, like in circle form on Instagram, LinkedIn, and on Facebook, and also on Pinterest. They have this circle format for your profile picture rather. So this is the first one I selected. It has a zigzag design inside of the grid, and on the borders you have the red color. So I tried to use it. It didn't sit well with me, and yeah. So what you want to do is upload the photo into the grid. And no, I didn't like it, so I had to go back and I deleted it. I wanted something else that was simple and not too distracting, because this is actually very, very distracting. So I went back again to select a cycle grid that has a border around it. You don't have to use what I use. You can use anything that makes you happy. Okay, so this is just a guide. You can use this as a guide to create your profile picture, your professional profile picture. So this is what I came up with. It has a border around it, which is red. So I upload my picture from into Canva and into the grid. Now it looks like this, and then I'm going back to check with the color for the client because it has its preferred color. We don't want to have a client receiving what he didn't want or what she didn't ask for. So red is not part of the colors, so we're going to change the border color into one of the preferred colors for the client. So if you have your client's X code, and if you have your X code, it'll be easy for you to do this process. If you don't know what an X code means, let me know. We'll do that in another video. Okay, so I want to enlarge the photo so you can see it properly, to sit in between the circle for my client so he can see himself. It was looking too small, so I increased the size of it. And then I think I like what it looks like until I felt okay, the outside background color should be white. So I changed it to white. Well, it doesn't matter actually, because when I download the photo and when he uploads it into his profile picture, you're not going to see the white part of it. You see only the round shape, which is a circle, which is his profile photo. This was the best I could do with this picture, and I went ahead and downloaded it on JPEG. So I use JPEG because it's quite easy and it helped me save space in my phone. So I downloaded it, and yeah. So looking at it in my photo, this is what it looks like. So this is the first one we downloaded. This one, and this is the second one, which is the one I'm sending to my clients. Hi, did you like watching this video? Did you learn a thing or two? I hope you did. And if you have a comment, do not forget to leave a comment below. I love to see your comments. And if you like this video, just give it a like already. And if you think someone needs to see it, share with them. It's very easy and it's free. Okay, it's free. And if you think you want to get started with digital marketing, you don't know where to start from, I've been there. I've done that. I've wasted time, money, energy, resources, everything. I don't want you to go through my part. I want you to go through it easily. I want to make it easy for you. So I'm inviting you today to join our my digital marketing growth community, where we take you through the process of starting off with your digital marketing career, making your online activities count, and earning while you're learning. It's very easy. So wherever you're watching this video from, there'll be a link somewhere around in the bio and the comments, somewhere around. Just find it and click. I'll see you.